With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, the seawater can be classified as a homogeneous as well as heterogeneous mixture. Commit. Okay. So seawater is considered both as a homogeneous as well as a heterogeneous mixture. Why? Now it is considered as homogeneous because it consists of salts, right, which are soluble in water. So salt being soluble in water forms a homogeneous mixture, right? Now it is also considered heterogeneous. Now why it is also considered heterogeneous? Because it also consists of some insoluble components, right? It also consists of some insoluble components like it consists of sand, right? It consists of pebbles. It consists of shells, right? And many other materials which are insoluble in water, and that is why it is also considered as a heterogeneous mixture, right? Homogeneous, why? Because very simple, because it is seawater, it consists of salt, and salt is soluble in water and forms a homogeneous mixture, right? But it is a heterogeneous mixture as well. Why? Because it consists of many insoluble components. The seawater does not only consist of salt and water, it consists of many insoluble components as well. It consists of sand, it consists of pebbles, it consists of shells which are made up of calcium carbonate, right? And many other substances. So that is why it is also considered as a heterogeneous mixture, right? That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.